Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to easily change the folder picture on Spotify. Whether you are organizing your playlist or just want to give your collection a fresh look, we have got you covered. So let's get started. First of all, find the Spotify app. Now open it. Once you are in the Spotify app, next we have to find the folder that we want to change the cover picture of. For that, tap onto your library. Then go to your playlist and tap one of the playlists that you have. Here you can find the three dots line. Now simply tap on it. And here you can find the edit button. Now click on it. After that, here you can find the change playlist cover. Now simply select it. And then tap on to change cover image. Here you can change the photo from your library or just take photo. Now tap on one. Next, choose one photo that you would like to add for your cover playlist. After choosing the photo, simply tap on to choose. And here you can find the photo has been changed. Now your folder will have a fresh new look. And that's it. Now your Spotify folders are looking just how you want them to. You can change them anytime by following the same steps. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.